Shout out to Shorty and Ernestine. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. And I'd also like to say a big thank you to my channel members for supporting me, and I very much appreciate it. So big shout out to Smoky Valley Naturals, Ella Harvey, Napleton, Tectonic Brewing, and N Honor. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some more soaps for King of Suds. This is oatmeal, milk and honey. The fragrance, which I will grab right now. So that's the fragrance in here. It's 3.5% oatmeal, milk and honey fragrance oil with natural vitamin E already mixed in there. And that's the white kaolin clay, Australian clay. And it's going to be really simple recipe, but beautiful. I love the smell of this fragrance. I have so many fragrances I have to use up, so I made it a mission so I don't buy any fragrances. I've got way too much, so I've got to use them all up. So this is one of them, this last little bit that I have. I've actually got that from Aroma, but I also have a little bottle from Heirloom Body Care as well. Smells beautiful. And yes, I need to, I already made a few batches of this as well. They're already nice and cured, but of course I want to just finish the fragrances up and make much more room in my cupboard, my fragrance cupboard. It's ridiculously packed. Maybe I should take a picture and post it on the Facebook group so people can have a laugh. It's just, yeah, very, very all over the place. Way too much stuff. Right, so this is the recipe that I use for King of Suds. I tweaked it just a little bit. I ended up reducing the coconut oil from 30% to 25% and increased the shea butter from 5 to 10%. And the rest is the same, 30% olive, 5% castor, and 30% soybean. So in here I have actual honey, local honey. My brother-in-law, my sister's husband, his dad has very few, I think it's quite a few hives, I think like 5 or 6 hives in his backyard. They live on a fairly large property, so I get that beautiful honey from them. So in here is 1% honey. It's I already melted it in with the oils. And of course, because it's oat milk and honey, so I wanted to put my ultra concentrated oat milk in here, which is great. So it's going to be nice and creamy lather, conditioning, and a nice huge lather boost from the honey as well. And that's the fragrance there. Here is the sodium lactate 2% with titanium dioxide. Just got to stir it around a little bit before I combine it. And that's the clay, and I'm also going to dress the top with just some organic oats as well. I think that all goes really nice together. So in here is just obviously the distilled water, pink salt and sodium gluconate at 1%, pink salt 1.25%, sodium gluconate 1%. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I really love making this recipe. There's just something really nice about simple soaps, like they're just so elegant. Sometimes I find in my range, a lot of the simple bars actually are the most popular ones. So it's funny, isn't it? Like, not all the time you'd think, pretty colours and swirls, they'll, sell, you think they'll sell, but then they sell, but compared to, simple bars, sometimes they sell, just way faster. Right, so I'm going to make it in these, this extra long loaf here, so I'm going to get 26 bars cut at 2.4 centimeters, 2 kilo of oil batch in here. I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to add the fragrance and also the sodium lactate and the clay, blend it all nicely before adding the lye, just to get rid of any clumps that may be there. So yeah, pretty straightforward, simple. Let me know about the camera angle if you prefer it like this. I think it's better, so I don't constantly in the way bashing it like I was previously. Alright, so I'm going to stop yakking and I'm going to go ahead and make some beautiful oat milk and honey soap.